Welcome back to Test and Quiz, the ultimate hub for tests and quizzes. Welcome to the Australian Citizenship Practice Test. This is Practice Test 7, focusing on government and the law in Australia. You'll have 20 questions to test your knowledge. Let's see how many you get right. Are you ready? Let's begin the test. How is the Australian government formed after a federal election? A. By the party or coalition of parties with the majority of members in the House of Representatives. B. By the party with the most seats in the Senate. C. By a vote of all state premiers. The correct answer is by the party or coalition of parties with the majority of members in the House of Representatives. Who becomes the leader of the Australian government? A. The leader of the party that wins the majority in the House of Representatives. B. The Governor-General. C. The leader of the opposition. The correct answer is the leader of the party that wins the majority in the House of Representatives. What is the role of the opposition in the Australian government? A. It is formed by the party or coalition with the second largest number of members in the House of Representatives. B. It makes all government decisions. C. It is appointed by the Governor-General. The correct answer is it is formed by the party or coalition with the second largest number of members in the House of Representatives. What is the title of the leader of the opposition? A. Deputy Prime Minister. B. Leader of the opposition. C. Governor-General. The correct answer is Leader of the Opposition. Who approves the appointment of the Prime Minister and government ministers? A. The High Court. B. The Prime Minister. C. The Governor-General. The correct answer is the Governor-General. Who recommends members of Parliament or senators to become government ministers? A. The Prime Minister. B. The Governor-General. C. The Leader of the Opposition. The correct answer is the Prime Minister. What is a portfolio in the Australian government? A. An area of government responsibility managed by a minister. B. A set of laws passed by the Parliament. C. A financial account for government spending. The correct answer is an area of government responsibility managed by a minister. What is the Cabinet in the Australian government? A. A group of state premiers who advise the Prime Minister. B. The key decision-making body of government. C. The committee that manages the Governor-General's duties. The correct answer is the key decision-making body of government. Who makes up the Cabinet in the Australian government? A. Ministers with the most important portfolios. B. All members of Parliament. C. State premiers and local council leaders. The correct answer is ministers with the most important portfolios. Who has the power to make or change laws in Australia? A. The Australian Parliament. B. The Prime Minister alone. C. The Governor-General alone. The correct answer is the Australian Parliament. What is a bill in the Australian Parliament? A. A proposal to introduce a new law or change an existing one. B. A law that has already been passed. C. A speech given by the Prime Minister. The correct answer is a proposal to introduce a new law or change an existing one. Which houses of Parliament consider, debate, and vote on bills? A. The House of Representatives and the Senate. B. Only the House of Representatives. C. Only the Senate. The correct answer is the House of Representatives and the Senate. What happens if a bill is approved by a majority in both Houses of Parliament? A. It is sent to the Prime Minister for approval. B. It immediately becomes law. C. It is sent to the Governor-General for final approval. The correct answer is it is sent to the Governor-General for final approval. What is a royal assent? A. The Governor-General's formal approval of a bill, making it law. B. A special speech given by the Prime Minister. C. A public vote on a proposed law. The correct answer is the Governor-General's formal approval of a bill, making it law. Who signs a bill to officially make it a law in Australia? A. The Prime Minister. B. The Governor-General. C. The Chief Justice of the High Court. The correct answer is the Governor-General. Do state and territory parliaments make their own laws? A. Yes, they make their own laws in a similar way to the Australian Parliament. B. No, only the Australian government makes laws. C. Only local councils make laws for states and territories. The correct answer is yes, they make their own laws in a similar way to the Australian Parliament. What is illegal regarding mobile phones while driving? A. Using a handheld mobile device. B. Listening to music via Bluetooth. C. Using hands-free calling. The correct answer is using a handheld mobile device. Who is responsible for general police work in the Australian Capital Territory? A. The Australian Federal Police. B. The ACT State Police. C. Local council security officers. The correct answer is the Australian Federal Police. How is the relationship between the police and the community in Australia? A. There is no formal relationship between the police and the community. B. Tense, as the police do not work with the community. C. Generally good, with the police providing assistance and protection. The correct answer is generally good, with the police providing assistance and protection. Is it a crime to offer a bribe to a police officer in Australia? A. Yes, bribing or attempting to bribe a police officer is a serious crime. B. No, but police officers can refuse a bribe. C. Only if the bribe is over a certain amount. The correct answer is yes, bribing or attempting to bribe a police officer is a serious crime. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And practice more tests from our playlists.